Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara G. We are back with another video. So as you guys seen by the title, we are getting into this Kinky Curly 7x5 closure unit from Julia Hair. Now this is 24 inches 7x5 closure. This is the Kinky Curly, and this unit is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it is pre-cut. So what I'm going to show you guys is kind of what I like to do before I put it on my head. As you guys know, I got my wig stand back, so I've really been into customizing my units and really getting them right on the wig stand before I put it on my head. And this takes off a lot of time, especially this unit is already everything done for you. So if you go ahead and customize it like this beforehand and put it on your head, it's really going to take off all the little bit of time that it takes to install this unit, especially with everything being already done for you. Now the only thing that I did was get my parts together because I didn't want to do a middle part, because for these little wear and go units I've been doing a lot of middle parts, and I really wanted to show you guys that you can do a side part and you don't have to take out your own hair, because y'all know normally I would take out my own baby hairs, and I didn't do that this time. I used the full closure, the full 7x5, and it gave me exactly what I needed. So I just took my little wax stick and went over and just got everything really melted with my hot comb before we went ahead and put it on our head. Now this unit is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and I did a really good job on it. I didn't feel like I had to go over it, because sometimes when these units say that they're pre-bleached, I sometimes be having to go back over it, and I really didn't have to do that. But as you guys can see, this is a Kinky Curly unit, so this is kind of mimicking Kinky Curly hair, and also the edges are Kinky Curly, so it's gonna give you that very natural look. So my girlies who have like this type of hair and you want to give your hair a break but still give very natural, this is the perfect unit for you.
They can't hold me, and I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside. 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
So as you guys can see, this is what everything looks like after I went in with my hot comb and my wax stick, and this is just more footage of what everything looks like. So when I do put it on my head, it already has that side part. The hair is already laid from the hot comb and the melting wax stick. So when I put it on, it's gonna look good. So y'all see how it looks? It already looks like we can really walk out the door, because the edges are Kinky Curly. So if you are into wearing your unit like this, you can definitely do so. Don't even have to spray no adhesive, no nothing on there. But y'all know when it comes to these wear and go wigs, I love to have me a little bit of spray. But glue is not necessary if you do not want the glue on there. I'm using the Kiss Colors and Care Spray adhesive, and I just did a little layer, and we're gonna go ahead and lay that lace down. But as you guys can see, customizing it, doing the little bit of customizing on the wig head before you put it on your hair, it takes off so much time. Like, even if you did this and you wasn't using any glue, you can really just throw it on, adjust the strap in the back, and literally walk out the door. But I did want to kind of lay my baby hairs down a little bit, so you guys are going to see me doing that. But I'm just going in with that little bit of layer of the spray adhesive and drying it with the dryer on a cool setting.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. They can't hold me, and I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside. 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pity party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that.
Now, as you guys can see, I am curling them a bit with my little skinny straightener. This really didn't matter. I wouldn't say do this because the hair is going to curl up anyway because it's kinky curly. So really just use your gel and form your baby hairs into place. But this unit does look very, very natural, y'all. It definitely gives natural, like you guys are going to see the like finishing result. It definitely gives like, I just wanted to style my kinky curly hair. Like it gives so natural. Like if you are somebody who wants a very, very natural unit that looks like natural hair, this is exactly what you need.
Maturity, we don't keep it on us anymore. It's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. They can't hold me, and I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5. Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly,
now, after I got the baby hairs together, I just went in with some water, and I am using the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Spray, and I'm just spraying this water all over my hair. Well, this is water, not like a spray, it's water. But you can use regular water if you want to, or you can use a mousse, but this is just the water that I like using because I use this on my natural hair as well. And I really wanted to show you guys, as you're spraying your water and stuff on the kinky curly hair, it is going to expand and it is going to show you that real length. So don't be like alarmed or don't get scared by how it looks initially when you put it on your head, because when you do add that water, it's going to give you the true curl and the true definition of what the unit actually looks like. So just run your hands through it. And one thing that I did really like about this unit as well, it is a very kinky curly texture, but I was still able to run my hands through it without no tension or like my hands getting caught or anything. Like this unit was very, very good on that. So this is a very, very good curly unit because you don't have to worry about, you know, your hands getting stuck or tangles or anything of the sort. And I was just clipping my ends on the bottom so everything can look like the same length, because it was, some parts was kind of longer than others, but it wasn't really too much that I had to cut off. It was just like a little snip here and there, and there's literally nothing wrong with that. So I just added a little bit of mousse on the top because since I did go in with the hot comb, I didn't want the top of my hair to be like super straight and then it's kinky curly hair. I did want that wave slightly back, so that mousse did give me the wave back. And then I'm just going ahead and perfecting that part.
Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair.
And as you guys can see, this is the final look for this hair. I really love the way this hair came out. So if you guys do want a realistic looking kinky curly unit, make sure you guys click that link in the description box down below and shop Julia Hair, because this unit definitely gives natural, and I really, really loved it. Like, this is a good throw on easy wig, and it's very, very full. It's true to length. Like, they give you exactly what you needed, and it was already pre-bleached washed and pre-plucked. Like, you really didn't need to do nothing, y'all. So make sure y'all go get this unit from Julia Hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. J Babies, we out.
Know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore.